So, hi everyone, myself Ishwan. I am studying in AI/ML in Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham, third year. So, today I am going to discuss about options menu in Android in mobile application development. So, what is option menu in Android? So, the concept of options menu in Android, which is an important part of mobile application navigation for many purposes and types that we will discuss in the next slides. So, in the first slide, what are Android menu types? Menus are essential navigation tools that provide structured access to app features and settings. They enhance user interaction by organizing actions in an intuitive and accessible way. That means menus help user to navigate and interact with app features easily. That means menu is an three dotted icon which appear on the top of the screen, which provide an options in the app that we can use. Here we given as three primary menu types: options menu, context menu, and pop-up menu. Here options menu is main menu for global actions. Here they in options menu it provides an options which we can be selected. Next, context menu appears as long press actions. When we long press the option that is given, then it considered as a context menu. Next, pop-up menu. Pop-up menu is used for overflow actions. Like when we click the option that is given, the pop-up message will be generated on the screen. So these are the three primary factors of pop-up menu. So we will focus mainly on today options menus. So in the next slide, what is an options menu? The options menu is a primary menu in Android apps, usually shown as a three dot icon on the top right screen. As we discussed in the previous slide, primary menu and global actions. Primary menu is the main navigator access with three dots that is discussed in the previous slide. So global actions in the options menu are settings, help about other app wide features, and etc. So the key points we are going to discuss in this is provides global actions like settings, help, and about, like discuss in the global action. It always available through the activity lifecycle. So this is about options menu. So in the next slide, we are going to discuss about purposes and benefits. So in this slide, we are going to know about why option menu in Android is used. So first one is structured organization. Keep features grouped and clear. Here, the options are structured in a neat and clear manner that can be easily organized. Next, clear interface. Hide extra options like avoid cluster. Like there are so many options that we can include in the option menu that can be removed from by using the options menu in the Android. So quick access. Provide instant access commonly used function as a screen. By compared to the other menus, option menus provide the faster access and enhanced UX, makes app more user friendly. So option menu makes the UX or interface as more user friendly that can be uh, like it can be used by user in easier manner. Example, when we tap on three dot on WhatsApp or Google, like we can see in WhatsApp or Google, there is a three dot pop-up menu option. Like the option menu in the app is used for extra features. Next, key characteristics. The key characteristics in the option menu are XML based definition, create in menu folder. Like here we can see, like here we can see that here we in the main menu we create the interface for the menu, and here on clicking on the left click and create an Android resource directory, we can add menu option. Here it creates a menu like this here in the corner. So So let's come back to the PPT. So here in the characteristics we have discussed about XML based. What is the definition of XML file? Then items component. Here items like icons, titles and IDs are defined as item components. Each menu entry must be used by these items. Next, flexible design. Support icons, submenus, grouping and custom ordering. Here by using of options in menus, we can create a flexible design like icon, submenus, grouping in easier way. Auto integration appears in app bar automatically when implemented in activity. Like we see in the previous one, like we just add new resource file to menu, it automatically creates the three dot sign in the upper of the screen. The next slide. Now we will discuss about lifecycle implementation flow. So here if for lifecycle and implementation flow, we first discuss on create option menu, influence and displays the menu when activity starts. Here these are the function. It is a function like on create option menu. It automatically creates the menu when the activity starts running. Next one, on option item selected handles user interaction menu items click. Like these function used when user click the item. Next, persistent state menu remains unavailable through activity lifecycle. Here menu states while activity is inactive. No, sorry, active. Next, auto cleanup disappears when activity closes or replaced. Menu closes when activity ends. Like it automatically closes the menu when the activity ends. So the menu is automatically managed by the Android's lifecycle. Next, implementation steps. So now, how to implement the options in menu? So first, we create a menu XML file, then add the items using the tags like item with the braces. Next, inflate the menu on create options menu, then handle item clicks in on option item selected. Next, test and refine the app. Like when you click the settings, toast menu and confirm the action. And after we can get the results by like we can get the icon like three dot and we can select the options from them. Next, in the next slide, we are going to discuss about the advantages of option menu. Advantages are consistent design pattern, visual flexibility, screen real estate, easy customization, cross-device compatibility. This small app demonstrates how easy to implement an option menu. Next, example applications. Example applications are settings about exit. Like if in an app, we can see in the option menus, like if we click the three dot button, we can see about settings, exit, etc. Next, in the next slide, we are going to discuss about the key takeaways. Fundamental component improves usability, simple implementation, professional development. So, by understanding, it helps in building user-friendly Android apps. So, next, conclusion in a summary, the option menu is simply a powerful tool that enhances user experience and app navigation. Thank you. So, now we are going to see the code for uh, the code of example of options in menu. So this is the activity main XML, which is the user interface of options in menu. It is the main menu which every menu is inserted, like every option, like home, settings, and above. Next, it is the Kotlin file. So let's run the code. So this is just an example of options in menu in Android. So here we can see the option menu. Like if we click on that, here there are three options like home. If we select home, the home is selected and there is a pop-up menu appeared. Then next settings and then above. So this is the example of options in menu. So thank you.